Hello, thank you for choosing Brother. My name is Brendan, and today I will show you how to replace the toner in your MFC9130CW. These instructions also apply to the MFC9330CDW and the MFC9340CDW. Your printer can use TN221 cartridges or high-yield TN225 cartridges for the yellow, magenta, or cyan. We'll start by removing the empty toner. Open the toner cover on the printer, and you'll see all 4 cartridges. In this case, we'll be replacing the yellow toner. Remove the cartridge and press the green lever to separate the toner and drum. Be sure to keep the drum. Next, we'll open the new toner. We always recommend using a new Brother brand toner. It should come in a sealed bag. Only open the bag when you are ready to use the toner. Next, remove the orange plastic protector. Slide the toner into your drum unit until you feel it click into place. Once the drum and toner are locked together, slide the green tab back and forth at least 5 times and lock it all the way to the left. Next, install the assembly into the printer. Finally, close the toner cover and wait for the display to return to normal before doing anything else. And there you have it. Now you know how to replace the toner in your MFC9130CW.